Welcome to the NoobTube YouTube channel for day 274. This was the 31st of May, 2023, a Wednesday. I took my daughter to a dermatology appointment. That dermatologist is very far away from our house. It's actually an hour drive there, an hour drive back. So it chewed up about 3 hours of my day. I also did books, I did Remote Wellness Academy, and then some other business activities. My gratitude goes out to people at that dermatologist's office because although it is a long distance, that is a very good dermatologist. He speaks like 4 languages really good. And I'm also very grateful for the pharmacy people and all the people at the UPS store. So just people in my life that, I'm really grateful for. I'm grateful that they're there because they make life, we take a lot of times, it's easy to take these people for granted, but they make things better. And things could be definitely a lot worse. So that's it for day 274. Let me know your comments and questions. I will talk to you tomorrow.